It's a lovely morning right here on Bertolli Present Fem Foodies riding on Suzuki. Let's.
You know, girls, it was this beautiful 100-year-old Poderia. It's a privilege to be in a place like that. But what you were doing is not any less of a feat. We're really proud of you. So.
Breads were just one part of the Poderia task. You were given a pre-fermented dough, and hence there was one level of difficulty removed from the task. However, we added another level of difficulty when we said, create a dish from the bread. That dish that you presented, the composition, the expression, was also key to judging. Now, as we all know, there were 4 teams. At the end of the task, only one of you would be safe and coasting. And the other 3 teams, 6 contestants, would fall from the frying pan onto the fire. So let's see which one is it.
When they announced that it's going to be 3 out of 4 teams going to elimination and only 1 saved, I was like, oh my God. There's a 50-50 chance that we either make it through or we fall into elimination.
So there was this one dish that took the cake.
There was a symphony in this particular dish for me. It showed heritage, it showed where it came from, it tasted brilliant, and there was a balance.
This particular dish had a great showcase of technique. Technique-wise, we saw a range of it. We saw plating, a beautiful expression of technique.
There was one dish that transferred a feeling of happiness and the joy of working together, the emotion of gratitude of working in a 100-year-old Poderia, and reflected the upbringing of who made it. I had really high hopes from you, Juhi and Chitwan. Really high hopes. And when I left it, I said, I am not happy about one thing. But I'm going to tell it to you when we're announcing the results. The one thing that I did not like about your dish was that I couldn't have enough of it. You're coasting!
I think I don't get emotional very easily, but I think one little tear did come. But we were ecstatic. We were so happy because I genuinely didn't expect it.
The judges announced that team, and the team was Juhi and Chitwan. They had done a great job, but I was really upset that we didn't get saved, me and Tanisha, because I had known that we had done a great job, but maybe we didn't do that well.